Okay, so today we're making a no bake cheesecake. Yes, another cheesecake, but this one, as I said, is going to be a little bit different than all the other ones I've done, as this is a no bake one. So there's no egg in it, and this was basically doing this up for a friend of mine who loves no bake cheesecakes. But as you can see here, I have used a pre-made graham cracker crust. Graham cracker crust. Now, this is only because of time sensitive. I was at a store, decided to pick it up. Is it as good as homemade? In my mind, no, but you're not going to offend me if you go out and buy a store-bought crust, you know. That's what they're there for. So, anywho, I put this into a 375-degree oven for about 10 minutes, just to bake it up a bit, and put that aside, and we'll get the other ingredients together. Okay, so in the trusty old yellow plastic bowl, I have 1 brick of cream cheese, and we're going to soften it up. Like so. Now, stay. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, so 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar. So mix that up till it's combined completely and smooth. Now, to this, I have some store-bought whipped topping. If you want, you can make your own whipped cream or store-bought. Doesn't matter to me. I'm going to put in about a cup and a half altogether, which is usually about 1/3 of a tub. Just like that. Then we're going to mix it again. Okay, so it's all combined now. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to add some cherries that I've cooked down, some sugar. You probably saw this on the other video. And then we're just going to gently fold it in. Just like so. Okay. Now we're going to take our cooled pie crust, and we're just going to plop this in there. Get out as much as you can. And then spread it around. Just like so. Now you don't have to mix in any fruit. You can just leave it plain, put the fruit on top. I will be adding more cherries to the top of this once it's fully set. Once you're done this, you spread everything out. I'm doing this to make it nice. Try to make it as even as possible. This is going to go into the fridge to set up. Want to give it a couple hours, preferably overnight, which is what I'm doing. Just like so. And that's it. So, again, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. This is an easy no-bake cheesecake, and I'll see you in the next video.